France, a land steeped in history, brimming with culture, and celebrated for its unparalleled beauty. It's a country that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Just saying the name makes you think of love, romance, and whispered promises under the Parisian moonlight. It evokes images of intimate moments shared against the backdrop of timeless architecture. Art, a legacy of artistic expression that has shaped the world. From the Renaissance masters to the Impressionists, France has been a cradle of creativity. And that special something you can't quite explain. That certain je ne sais quoi that permeates every corner of the country, from its bustling city streets to its tranquil countryside. The Eiffel Tower lights up Paris, a beacon of romance and architectural ingenuity, casting a warm glow over the city of lights. It's a symbol recognized around the globe. While purple lavender fields in Provence hum under the sun, their fragrant aroma filling the air and painting the landscape in hues of violet and serenity. France is like a big party for your senses, a feast of flavors, sights, and sounds that will tantalize and delight. Every meal is a celebration. History, culture, and beautiful nature all mixed together, creating a rich tapestry that is both captivating and unforgettable. It's a blend that appeals to every traveler. Beyond the famous sights, the iconic landmarks that draw millions each year, imagine the blue coast of the Riviera, where the azure waters meet the sun-kissed shores, creating a paradise for relaxation and exploration. The fancy cities of Nice and Cannes, known for their glamour, their film festivals, and their vibrant nightlife. And the fairy tale castles of the Loire Valley, standing as majestic reminders of a bygone era, each with its own unique story to tell. Every part of France is like a new chapter in its story, a different landscape, a unique culture, and a fresh perspective on life. This trip is more than just seeing sights. It's an immersive experience that will touch your soul and leave you with lasting memories. It's about eating a fresh croissant, its buttery layers melting in your mouth, drinking fancy wine, savoring the flavors of the French terroir, and joining in with how local people live, experiencing their traditions, their customs, and their way of life. From busy markets to quiet churches, where the echoes of history resonate through the hallowed halls. Art is everywhere you look, a testament to France's enduring legacy as a center of creativity and innovation. Come with me as we travel from Paris's big streets to the quiet countryside, experiencing the contrast between urban energy and rural tranquility, looking at old ruins, remnants of ancient civilizations, famous artworks, masterpieces that have stood the test of time, and old-fashioned streets, cobblestone pathways that whisper tales of the past. Let's start in the city, the heart of France, that people have dreamed about for hundreds of years. Paris, a city that embodies romance, history, and timeless elegance. The magic is real, and it's waiting for you. Are you ready to be enchanted? Our journey begins in Paris, a city that has captivated hearts for centuries. It's the undisputed heart of France, a place where history, art, and culture intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of Paris, shines bright, a beacon visible from almost every corner of the city. It stands tall day and night, a testament to human ingenuity and architectural brilliance. More than just a structure, it's a symbol of fancy style, a representation of Parisian elegance and charm. For a different perspective, float along the Seine River, the lifeblood of Paris. You'll see Notre Dame Church, which stood strong for centuries, a symbol of resilience and faith. And don't miss the Louvre Museum's amazing art, home to some of the world's most treasured masterpieces. Stand in front of the Mona Lisa painting and experience the enigmatic smile that has captivated art lovers for generations. Get lost in the labyrinthine galleries filled with famous artworks, each telling a unique story. Feel the city's creative energy as you wander through halls filled with masterpieces, a testament to Paris's artistic soul. For panoramic views, climb up to Montmartre, the highest point in the city. Here, the Sacré-Cœur Church sits majestically on top of the city, offering breathtaking views. Watch as artists draw Paris's spirit, capturing the essence of the city on canvas. Walk on old stone streets, each cobblestone whispering tales of the past. Relax in coffee shops, savoring the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the taste of delicious pastries. And look in fancy stores, where the latest trends in fashion and design are on display. The best way to truly see Paris is by walking, allowing yourself to get lost in its charming streets and hidden alleyways. You'll find new surprises around every corner, each more delightful than the last. In its gardens and quiet streets, away from the hustle and bustle of the main tourist areas, the city's real magic shows itself, revealing the authentic charm and character of Paris. Every moment here is like a brushstroke, adding depth and color to your Parisian experience. It all contributes to the amazing picture that is Paris, a masterpiece that will stay with you long after you leave. So let's explore its wonders together and discover the magic that awaits us in the City of Lights. Southwest of Paris is the Loire Valley, which is called the Garden of France. Here, the towers of Château de Chambord and the arches of Chenonceau rise from green lands. Walk through grand rooms, explore fancy gardens, and step into fairy tales. Beyond the famous castles, find charming towns and the artistic gardens of Villandry. Taste amazing wines and local goat cheese. Every sip and bite is a celebration of the land. The Loire is like a living museum where history and beauty mix perfectly. In Provence, sunlight paints rolling hills, olive trees, and lavender fields. Villages on hills like Gourdes and Roussillon offer old-fashioned views and a slower way of life. Markets in Aix-en-Provence are full of bright colors, great tastes, and the true feeling of the area. Then, the Riviera calls you. Nice's walking path, Cannes' fancy style, and Monaco's luxury. From old villages to Mediterranean beaches, this area shines with art, food, and golden light. Every moment here is a celebration of life under the sun. In the historic regions of Normandy and Brittany, where the land meets the vast Atlantic, dramatic coastlines stand as silent witnesses to centuries of pivotal events. These shores have seen empires rise and fall, leaving behind a rich tapestry of stories etched into the very landscape. Take a poignant walk on Omaha Beach, where the echoes of courage and sacrifice still resonate in the salty air. Then, visit the American Cemetery at Colville-sur-Mer, solemn places of bravery, remembrance, and reflection, honoring those who fought for freedom. Prepare to be amazed by the Bayeux Tapestry, a remarkable work of art that vividly depicts the Norman conquest. It's a clear and detailed picture of an old battle, offering a fascinating glimpse into medieval warfare and political intrigue. Indulge your senses with the creamy delight of camembert cheese and savor the crisp, refreshing taste of local cider. Take a leisurely walk through the green countryside, dotted with charming farmhouses and picturesque landscapes that seem straight out of a painting. Witness the breathtaking sight of Mont-Saint-Michel rising majestically from the wet sand, especially when the tide recedes, revealing the vast tidal flats surrounding it. It's a true wonder of faith, architecture, and the power of nature, all harmoniously intertwined. Explore the unique beauty of Brittany's pink granite coast and discover the ancient standing stones of Carnac, adding an air of mystery and whispering tales of ancient Celtic civilizations. Delight in the simple pleasures of thin pancakes, known as crepes, and the regional specialty, galettes, paired perfectly with local cider. Immerse yourself in a land shaped by the relentless sea, its rugged coastline, and the captivating tales of its people. In Normandy and Brittany, history and wild, untamed beauty are inextricably linked, offering an unforgettable journey through time and nature. In Alsace, French and German styles mix in fairy tale towns like Strasbourg and Colmar. Walk along canals, admire houses with wooden beams, and try tasty wines along the pretty wine route. Then, go up to the French Alps. Snowy mountains, clear lakes, and adventure are waiting. Chamonix sits below Mont Blanc, a safe place for mountain climbers and skiers. Ride the Aiguille du Midi cable car for amazing views of the Alps. Annecy, with its blue lake and colorful houses, offers calm relaxation. The Alps are France's grand playground, a perfect ending to our trip. France is easy to explore. Fast trains connect cities, while a car lets you find hidden villages. Visit in spring or autumn for nice weather, and fewer people plan your trip for lavender festivals or Christmas markets. Say bonjour to locals. Dress nicely and learn a few French words. Tipping is small, and being polite helps a lot. Picture yourself on a balcony in Paris, wine in hand, as the city glows at sunset. France is more than just a place to go. It's a feeling that stays with you. Have a good trip. Your adventure is waiting.